In today's tutorial, I am going to guide you through the process of marking an invoice as paid in Zoho Books. Managing your accounts receivable is a critical part of running any business, and understanding how to correctly record payments ensures that your financial reports and cash flow data stay accurate. If you are tired of wondering how to change those overdue or sent statuses to paid, this video is exactly what you need. Before we dive into the steps, if this guide helps you streamline your bookkeeping, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss out on more productivity tips for 2026. All right, let's get into the software. The first step is to locate the specific invoice that you need to address. Once you have logged into your Zoho Books dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. You need to click on Sales, and from the drop-down menu, simply select Invoices. This will bring up a list of all your billing activity. Find the specific invoice number you are working on, which should currently show a status of either sent or overdue. Click directly on that invoice to open its details. Once you are inside the invoice view, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see a prominent green button labeled Record Payment. Click on this button to open the payment entry window. A new form will appear where you need to input the transaction details. First, enter the amount received to reflect exactly what the client has paid. Next, select the payment date, which is the specific day the funds hit your account. Then, under the Deposit To field, make sure to select the correct bank or cash account where that money was actually deposited. This is vital for your bank reconciliation process later on. Once you have verified that all these details are correct, simply click the final Record Payment button at the bottom of the window. Zoho Books will instantly update the status of the invoice to paid and adjust your account balances accordingly. It's a fast, clean, and professional way to keep your records managed. Remember, keeping your books up to date is the best way to avoid late payment issues with your clients. If you follow these steps properly, your invoices should now correctly reflect the payment. If you found this quick walkthrough useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.